I want you to think for just a moment. Imagine a system that's working for you, generating passive income, $5,000, $10,000, $40,000. In this case, for Vic, it's generating $300,000 plus per month on autopilot in affiliate marketing. Well, hi there, my friend, Errol Muller, and in this specific video, I'm going to share with you how to start an affiliate marketing business from home. Very important. So what is affiliate marketing? If you are searching this video, my guess is that you by now know what affiliate marketing is. If not, affiliate marketing is whereby you don't own any product. You take a link, you basically collaborate with other businesses. You take that specific link, and if somebody makes a purchase through your specific link, then you get paid. That is what affiliate marketing is. And that is what I want to share with you in this specific video is for you. And I want to show you how to start an affiliate marketing business from home. Now, I am the owner and the founder of this business, Empire Digest, and I'm going to delve into more detail in just a second. On your screen right now is a disclaimer. I want you to basically pause this video for a few seconds, read the disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, while I'm scrolling down, I want you to, at the same time, please, I'm going to ask you nicely, please give this video a thumbs up, please give it a like. Reason being, I want it to rank as quickly as possible, as high as possible within the search engines, in order to help you as an individual make basically an informed decision to anything. You will see that I do a lot of product reviews around affiliate marketing, make money online, forex trading, and it's all created in order for you to basically gather as much information as possible, good information that you can use and that you can process and that you can work with in order to make an informed decision. Now, I opened just a very basic page on Empire Digest, and it's called courses. So I'm gonna start sharing ideas with you now. And if you like it, leave me a comment below this video. And I really want you to sit and think, because this is all related to affiliate marketing. This business, this website that you're on right now. So when you head over to empiredigest.com, it will bring you over to the homepage, and the homepage will look like this. If you really want to make more money online, especially with affiliate marketing, head over to empiredigest.com, click on the show me how to make money. And then at the time of me shooting this specific video, this is what the page will look like. The secret affiliate system no one is talking about, that's currently making me over $300,000 per month. And this is specifically for Vic. Then I would click the yes, I want in, register. It's a live event that happens every week, and it's time-stamped. It's not something that is pre-recorded. It's something that's going to happen. In this case, it's going to happen in the next 10 hours. It's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or New York time. And then for the rest of the guys, you just have to have a look at your time, your dates and your times in order to get started. Now, this website, Empire Digest, this business of mine is basically an affiliate marketing business that I've started from home. Didn't need to rent any offices or anything or get any professionals in that sense, any website developers, any website designers or anything to basically do all of this for me. Now, I want to share something with you quickly. For instance, just the courses. This is something you can have a look at. Most of them will eventually turn into paid courses. At this point in time, it is not paid. Some of them are free. Some of them you have to join our VIP club. If you head over to tools, basically every single thing that you see on this business, on this website, is an affiliate link. Literally, all of these are affiliate links. And the purpose behind that is exactly what it is. Affiliate marketing. Starting an affiliate marketing business from home. And that is exactly what it is. The nice thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to own any products. You can literally just collaborate with businesses. I want you to literally think for a second. Whatever your passion is, whatever your hobby is, you can turn it into an affiliate marketing empire. You can take your passion and you can start collaborating with other businesses. So, for instance, on the tools, I've collaborated with most of these businesses and I've created affiliate links around them. So these are Not all of them, not every single one of them. Some of them I do use personally. Other ones that we recommend are good. It's something that can help you in your business, whatever it is that you want to do. So it's just a recommendation. It's not to say you have to use them. Now, for instance, if you head over to Forex, the Forex page, I've been trading Forex, or I've been involved in the Forex markets for nearly 9 years now, and I've traded myself. I've done a lot of things in Forex. I don't want to go into that story now, but just in Forex alone. So Forex trading robots, Forex trading brokers, Forex VPS services, best Forex charting software. These are all businesses and companies and things that I've collaborated with. I don't own the products, although they are my affiliate links. And that's how I generate an income. Just this page alone, just this Forex page alone generates me anywhere up to $5,000, sometimes $2,000, sometimes a little bit less, sometimes more. It depends on how many traffic I'm getting on a daily and on a monthly basis. And it's now working on autopilot. I've done all the work. It's literally coming in continuously. Just this one page. That's not even to talk about the tools page. That's not even talking about courses. That's not even talking about the live events that we do. That is not even talking. And on the live events, the nice thing about the live events, we can literally bring up any type of product that we want. Any product. But it's not what it's about. The live events are there to share knowledge with you watching this video right now in order to change your life, especially in the affiliate marketing industry, in order to apply the things that you learn into your personal life, into your business, in order to succeed financially online and turn your business upside down. Same with this, the homepage. If you go to the homepage and you click the show me how to make money. Now, sorry, before we continue, this is something that I wanted to share with you. What if you were to join one specific system? And the reason I'm saying system is because people fail, systems succeed. Yes, individuals does set up the system, and then the system runs automatically. The better the system, once you've set up the system will run automatically. You cannot do 100 tasks, 1,000 tasks at the same time, and that's why you have systems running for you. What if you could join a system that basically had all of these multiple sources of income, all linked? This business does all the collaborations on your behalf. So they start joining, talking to companies, talking to other businesses, start collaborating with them. And then you, joining this system, you get access to all of these multiple sources of income. And then you build yourself an affiliate marketing hub, very similar to this one that I'm sharing with you right now. So Empire Digest is my company. It's my business that I've registered. And this is an affiliate marketing website. So what if you had access to a system like that? Well, there you have it. Head over to empiredigest.com. It will take you to this homepage at the time of me shooting this video. Click the Show Me How to Make Money button. Go register for the live event. Follow the live event. You will get access to a system called the Affiliate Business System. On the top right-hand side, I've done a full-on review based on the Affiliate Business System. The amount of money you can earn as an affiliate, how much it will cost you to get started within the Affiliate Business System, and how that system can literally take your life and turn it upside down, shake everything in your world for the better, help you make more money. So that is what I want to get across in this specific video. I want you to see the bigger picture. Just putting my phone on silent here for a second. I want you to see the bigger picture and see the power behind it. Now, another thing that you will get access to when you follow along with the system is something called eStage. It's a website builder. It will give you access to create your own professional looking designs. Very similar to this one that you're on right now. You know, people out there, companies out there they actually charge you anywhere from $30,000 all the way up to $100,000 in order to create a professional looking website that looks like this. And you don't need that. You can literally get started and do this yourself with a minimal investment. And then you have it. There you basically know how to start an affiliate marketing business from home. So follow along, have a look at what I just shared with you. Think about it for a second. Register. Go head over to Empire Digest. I will also leave a link below this video in order for you to get started. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave me a comment below this video. I thank you. I appreciate you for watching. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, healthy, abundant life in everything that is good and wonderful, as well as financial success. Enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.